A very good morning to all of you, our dear students of class 6. I am Santosh Kumar Mishra and your new teacher of the GK. So, hoping that you, your family and you also be healthy and please take the precautions, the guidelines followed by the government, and you all are very well know that. And before starting the chapters, first of all we would like to discuss on the what's about the syllabus. Dear students, on yesterday you got the syllabus and I think that you match the all chapters from the your books. So according to our syllabus, your chapters divided into three parts, means term 1, term 2 and term 3. So your first unit is nature for me, and it contains 4 chapters: animal adaptation, dinosaurs reel, from farmer's land, found only in India. Before starting the class, you please follow some guidelines. First of all, what you will do, you must have book, rough copy, pen, means all your stationery, because when you start the class, after that no need to go and there is no excuse that sir 1 minute I will come. Okay, so be prepared and after that you start the online. Today's video we only uploaded the video to you, but in coming days we are live. Okay, so guys, our first chapter is animal adaptations. Animal adaptations, you know, the best example of animal adaptation is like COVID-19. We all are also adopt this scenario. The teachers uses cell phones for uploading the videos. You uses cell phones for the understanding the things, your syllabus, your chapters. And okay, so we start from the animal adaptations. According to your textbook says that an adaptation is a type of change which helps an animal to survive in a particular way or conditions. Means animals, we are living creatures. Animals for the survival you know, means the conditions according to the nature. For example, you see the animals that adopted according to their climates. We also changes our adaptations according to the climates. Okay, so an adaptation is a type of change. Change means changes, means in the past what you have and in the future what you have. So changes which help an animal to survive in a particular way or condition, means we adopt a condition that how can I survive on this earth. For example, in hummingbird you know, a long big bird continuously fly their wings like this. Okay, in hummingbird, the long beak is an adaptation to suck the nectar from the flowers. Nectars, you know, nectars means in common language you understand that the juice of flower. So what she has to, she suck the nectar of flower and her wings are like this continuously. So our first question is, write the name of the animals in the given space. Means on the right side of your book, on your page, there is a figure of some animals. And left hand side there is a question, but the right answer is you can choose from the figures, and figures are not in a systematic way. Means, for example, question number 1 is not the answer of figure number 1 is not answer of question number 1. So we start from the question 1. It has a small body with long pointed wings. A small body means in the size the body is small, but long pointed wings. Pointed wings to help them fly long distance. Big wings helps to cover the long area. It can migrate from one place to another to find food. Migration is a keyword term. Here this is a term to understand that migration. Migration means you leave the place where you live for some times. Okay, so it can migrate from one place to another, find food, for the search of food, for the feeding. And breeding place. Breeding means to the reproduce the eggs. It cover a distance of approximately 40,000 kilometers every year. Means in a year they fly for 40,000 kilometers for the searching of food and for the breeding. Okay, so name of that bird, you know name of that bird? No. Okay, this bird is called as Arctic tern. If you want to fill their name, so you write there in the question number 1 ARCTIC. Again ARCTIC, Arctic tern. TERN, Arctic tern. Okay, now the second question is, it has very long ears to spread out the body heat. Means the heat of body. Means in summer days our body also suffering from the heat. It has a special kidney to conserve water and thick fur. Fur means is a type of hair on the skin at the bottom of its feet to walk in desert. Desert means you all know, and the temperature of desert is so high. You all are studied in the geography subject that Sahara desert. In India also there is a desert, Thar. So name of that animal. So guys, you know the name? It's look like fox. I think that you understand. Okay, so write the correct answer in question number 2. Fennec fox. The spelling is FENNEC. FENNEC. Fennec fox. FOX. Fox, you know, is the. Now we come on the chapter question number 3. It has blood vessels in its beak that help to release body heat. Now another question also belong to the body heat. How can our control to our body in summer climate? So it has a body vessels. Vessels, you know, these are the. So body vessels. Also we control the temperature from our hand. How? In summer we wash many times hands. It has blood vessels in its beak that help to release body heat. Name of that animal, you know? In previous classes you studied or not? Okay. Right there. The right answer is toucan. Write the spelling Toucan. Okay. Now the question number 4 is, it can hibernate in a mucous membrane for many years and wait for the rain. Hibernate means a long sleeping. The term is hibernate, long sleeping. Some of animals they live in the hibernate situation. For example, polar bear. You watch in the movies and in the Discovery, National Geographic also watch the videos that they got for the hibernate when the snowfall is at the high level. So it can hibernate a mucous membrane for many years and wait for the rain. And after the rain, what they will do? They start their activities. So the right answer is pixie frog. In some places also called as African frog. So write their name Pixie. 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 Frog. Okay. Now fifth question is, it has a unique digestive system and tough mouth as it can eat spiny cactus easily. Spiny cactus, you know? Cactus, you know? Okay. Cactus is a source of water along with food for this animal. Means by the cactus you also get the water. So name of that animal? The name of that animal is peccary. Just write the spelling of this animal. Peccary. Again you write Peccary. Okay. On the last question, it has very strong sense of smell. Very strong sense of smell. It can stretch its mouth many times to engulf its prey. Engulf means swallow. So name of that animal? In Discovery you also watch. That animal is python. So write the spelling in the question number 6. The right answer is python. Write the spelling Python. Python. Okay students, in this video I want to conclude this one, because in the live classes we have more times for the discussion. So today I close this chapter, but when we start the live classes we again revise this chapter. Okay, if you have any queries related to this video, this chapter, just you personally message me. Okay, guys. Thank you.